Hello geeks, welcome to College Coder. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can draw this star pattern using for loop in Java language. Okay guys. So first of all, we will print this star pattern. Okay. Then after that, we will print this star pattern. Okay. After that, we will combine the both star pattern. Okay guys. Okay guys. So let's start it. So first of all, click on this. Then click on new file. Okay. Then type here pattern 6.java. Okay. So pattern 6.java, then enter, then click on this again, then first of all zoom it. Okay, then type here public class pattern 6. Okay, then under this we will create main function. Okay, so type here public static void main string args, so remove s from strings. Okay guys, then under this main function we will create for loop. Okay, so type here for data type int variable I initialize with 1. Okay, then we will execute to I till 4. Okay, so type here I less than equal to 4, then I plus plus. Okay, and under this we will create one more for loop in a for loop. Okay, so type here for data type int variable j initialize with 1, then j less than equal to I. Okay, we will execute to j till I. Okay, then semicolon, then increase the j plus plus. Okay, and under this we will print a star. Okay, so type here system dot out dot print, then a star, then semicolon. Okay, then outside this for loop, in a for loop, we will type here system dot out dot println for new line. Okay, then semicolon. Now we will execute this code and see the output. So guys, you can see the output in terminal. Okay, our this pattern has been printed. Okay, in terminal. After that we will print this star pattern. Okay, then we will combine the both pattern. Okay, clear this terminal firstly, then close this. Okay, and now we will type the code for this star pattern. Okay, so type here data type int variable I initialize with 1. Okay, then semicolon, then we will execute to I till 3. Okay, so I less than equal to 3, then semicolon, then I plus plus. Okay, then inside this we will create one more for loop. Okay, so type here for data type int variable j initialize with 3. Okay, then we will execute to j till I. Okay, so type here j greater than equal to I, then j minus minus. Okay, and inside this for loop we will print a star. So type here system dot out dot print. Okay, and print the star here, then semicolon, and outside this for loop we will type again system dot out dot println statement. Okay, so type here system dot out dot println for new line. Okay, then now we will execute this code. So I click on the run icon. So guys, you can see the output of this code in terminal. Okay, so the pattern has been printed as I have shown you on the right side. Okay guys, so that's all about today's video. If this video really helpful for you, so like this video, subscribe to College Coders for future video notification. Till then, thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in next video.